Greetings YouTube, thank you for stopping by Jimmy's Barbecue. Hey, I know it's been a while. No, I didn't slack off. I've just been super busy this summer. I have a lot of content. It's going to look like, man, all this dude do is upload videos. So I have a ton of content. Just didn't make the time to get it all edited and give it a nice polished touch for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get busy here. Today, we're going to talk about Kitchenaid mixers. I don't know much about them. However, I did know that what I got on the horizon, what I wanted to do, I wanted one of those and actually preferred one of those because they're workhorses. And you can use a ton of attachments. And like I said, what I got in mind, I needed a beast. So went to Facebook Marketplace, located one, scored one. I thought I was getting a 600 watt, ended up with the 325. It's an older model. It's probably produced in the late 90s, early 2000s. Nevertheless, scooped it up, came with the meat grinder attachment. It was missing a few things, but it also showed its age. And the pictures that will follow, you will see it was originally white, and like I said, it had chip paint and everything, but you can tell that it was used, but probably got damaged probably in moves or getting hit on the counter or whatever. Nevertheless, she's got a facelift and a new paint job and some new parts. So as it continues this time on this earth in the possession of Jimmy's Barbecue, she's gonna be a nice piece of eye candy for the counter. Check this out. Be sure to be methodical and detailed in your taping to ensure that you don't get paint in the crevices and areas that you don't want it, and also to ensure that you have a very detailed paint job. The base coat is dry, pretty satisfied. I gave it 2 coats. Looks like the 2 coats were enough. Now I'm satisfied with the base coat. I'm going to give it a top coat of clear gloss to seal that paint job. Well, it looks like I got some runs right here, but I'm not going to worry about that. I could sand it out, but this looks 100% better than what it did before I painted it. Looks awesome. So now that I'm satisfied with the top coat, I'm just go ahead and give it a coat of gloss to seal this paint job. Dry, and I'm even gonna seal the handle because the handle has some oxidation on it, some rust. I'm cleaning the rust off, so to keep it from oxidizing anymore, I'm gonna go on and hit it with some of this gloss, seal it up, keep it looking nice. Wow. Look at that. Scuffed it with the can. I have to fix that.
to let it dry and sand it out.
Alright, now that we open up the hole, got the new fastener in there, screws down nice and snugly. So now we can put the feet back on and get the rest of this piece put back together. We'll be back. Now with regards to the feet, in order to save a little money on parts, I was just going to order new ones. So what I did was I took and got some really hot water, pretty close to boiling hot, soaked the feet in them because they're rubber. And what that did was it loosened up a lot of that caked up dirt and stuff from over the years of use. This is a pretty old mixer. Where I was able to clean up the feet, and they still have the tackiness of a brand new rubber foot, so we're able to reuse those. Not much to it. Was a little work, but hey, it was worth it. She looks good, don't she? Hey, let's do a quick required me a mixer. Little beat up. I wanted to look nice. I didn't want to fork out $600 for a new one, so gave the one I got a new paint job. Now with that, I did do some disassembling to be my, very detailed in the paint job. I could have taped over stuff, but you run the risk of not having your tape lined up, and I didn't want to go through all that, so I took it apart to make sure everything was coated real well. You saw in the video I had a little mishap with the paint job, and I had to go back and fix it, so it delayed me getting it put back together, which is cool. Gave it time to really the paint to set up and harden properly. So if you decide to do this yourself, you can see that, hey, it will be a little work, because I don't know what condition yours might be in. The videos I saw, folks, their stuff was brand new and they just wanted to change the color of it. They didn't have old dough caked up in there, and then have decades of flour caked up in the feet and stuff like that. It was a hot, sticky mess. But I tell you, but the result, hey, it's great. This thing is awesome. It's beautiful, and I highly recommend save yourself some money. Find you one. You don't like the color, scoop it up. Hey, you can change the color. Matter of fact, I have 2 of these mixers, and I am toying with the thought of giving it a. I'll just save that for the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, show some love. Hit that like button. Feel free to become a subscriber. You can check us out on our other social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And hey, we gonna keep them flames burning.